Okay, we are on the Blue Ridge Parkway. We just passed Love Gap heading south, and it's starting to rain, and it's pretty twisty, as you probably know if you've been on this road. We're on 2018.28.5, I think is what it is. This is a pretty tight turn. See how it handles it. Whoa. We've got it set right at 45, which is the speed limit.
I'm guessing there's no signal between here and the Route 11 through the Blue Ridge Parkway.
Yeah, I don't know. It looks like this rain is starting to really pick up. We'll see how it handles everything here. Auto wiper's doing a good job. Thanks. Denise just handed me a piece of gum, if you heard that. That's where we are, you can see on the map. You want to know exactly where we are. This is a tight corner here. Hope you don't go off the mountainside. There's no wall there or anything. Oh, and the rain's really picking up. Whoa! We veered almost off the road there. You see that? I'm going to go back and look at that clip again on in that section. We were very close to getting off the road. You can see we're all the way to the right side of the road right now. I'm not sure why. I don't know why. It says we're over. Look, if you look at the graphic, it knows we're over. Whoa! I don't know if it's because of the rain. It is raining a lot. I mean, the center line is marked clearly enough. It should be, there's no white line on the side. It should be trying to figure it out from the center line. It's really coming down now. And it's moving to the right again. Moving to the right. Whoa, it's getting a little nervous, it looks like. There's people. Whoa! Not used to seeing pedestrians here. Let's take a look at the overlook here.
Full dressers are in this before.
There's not much of anything to see here because of the rain right now. Nothing to see really. Okay, we're back. The rain's back again too. But you know, if you can't see over the overlook, you know it's pretty overcast and lots of rain. You couldn't really see anything over that overlook. We're back up to 45 now. And the rain's really picking up again. Whoa. This is a pretty tight turn, a long turn. It's like a 180-degree turn. Whoa! Okay, all right, we were okay, right? Were we okay? I think we were. I didn't touch the wheel. I almost did. Whoa, we got staying on the road?
Momentarily.
just barely. And looking at this map, looks like we've got a lot of tight corners that we're about to approach. It's going to get worse before it gets better. That's why we're recording this.
It's a nice place to get into an accident when no one has a cell phone signal.
Really?
Yeah.
Well, we'll just record through that bad part. That's why I want to see how it handles the challenging stuff. Whoa. We got some pretty tight corners coming up.
Your car's not gonna make this.
You don't think? It's doing okay. It's slowing down on its own. I am not doing that. It knows something's up. You can hear the ice in my cooler moving around. Yeah, it's down to 31. It's programmed for 45. I think this is going to be another really long, tight corner. There's trash in the road. I don't think it reacts to trash at all. There's somebody behind me now. Whoa, is it staying on the road? Yeah, now it's really slowing down.
There's no one behind you.
Yeah, you'll see them. They are there. We just went to that corner, so you don't see them right now. They'll catch up, I'm sure, because we're going fairly slow for what an aggressive human driver could do. This is gonna be a tight corner. That big rock right there. Back and forth corners.
You haven't gotten any warnings about your hands being off the wheel.
Yeah, well, I don't think it knows enough. It's doing so much work trying to stay on the road, it doesn't even know or care if I'm there or not. Look at that drop off right here. The big stone wall is just nothing but a drop off. Whoa, we were really picking up speed now. You can't see because of the clouds, but there would be a nice view there. It wasn't full of clouds and rain right now. All right, one more tight corner, I think. Not to the left, it's gonna be to the right, and then that'll be through the challenging part. It's gonna be this one, I think, according to the map. It keeps going and going. It's really slowing us down. Keeps going. There's some scenery.
Yeah, there are clouds in that valley.
Oh, we're still going around the corner.
Fog. This would make a good video title. AutoPilot drives off Blue Ridge Parkway across
I hope
the
not.
mountains.
All right, that's it. That's through the worst of it now. Now it's going to straighten out. Look, we got some traffic. Let's see how it handles this. Why don't we take a look at the overview since we've got some clearing. Since it's the end of this video anyway. Bald Mountain. There we go. That's all we're going to do for this video anyway. Not such a great view as far as views go. Well, that's our end of our video on the challenging drive through the Blue Ridge Parkway. The rest of it's pretty straight like this. So let me know what you think, how we did. I think it did pretty good, except it could have done a little better on the accuracy, and it definitely was really slowing down dramatically on some of those corners, more than I thought it would have. But I guess it's trying to be safe.